Read at the very beginning, please remind me. Okay, so here we are going to start the demo session. See, when you are learning Pega, you are going to learn Pega in depth to understand the technical point of view, to know about the technical aspects, and also functional matching, how you learn it in the real world, how these technical aspects will help us to implement real world business requirements in a reality. Banking, healthcare, or insurance, or maybe oil and gas, or maybe pharmaceutical research oriented, any sector of the business, one requirement is given to you. How this technology will help you to implement that business requirement irrespective of the business sector, irrespective of the type of the business requirement. Technical aspect will be same, requirement output can be different, okay, but technical will be same. So you need to learn in all and all the ways to understand the real world business scenarios. That's how you should focus. And also interview preparation point of view also, you should have to start building your mindset to understand the interview point of view, each technical aspect from day one itself. Okay, and also understanding the design of the tool provided by Pega. This is the tool, I will tell you later about this tool. You need to know about the design of this tool as well. Why you should know about the design of tool? If I learn only forward engineering to develop new business applications and to implement new business requirement, pretty much fair enough, right? Why should I focus on learning reverse engineering tool design, that you are calling it as reverse engineering tasks? Because in real time, the business requirements you get will be not only forward engineering, reverse engineering, enhancements, change requests also will come, troubleshooting also will come, bug fixing also will come. So you have to be molded as a full-fledged Pega developer, where if you are being given with a requirement to create anything from the scratch, or already functionality is available, someone created 6 months back, you want to enhance it, business is looking for enhancement, then you should be able to be in a position to reverse engineer the existing functionality, understand it, matching to it, you need to enhance it. Okay, or there is some problem with already available functionality, okay, that problem you want to fix, business want to fix now, they are asking for your help. They're asking for your help, otherwise come here, they're asking for your help. So they gave you one requirement for bug fixing. So bug fixing also, what you need to do, you need to reverse engineer and troubleshoot to understand, and debugging also will be there. Actually all these are related. Okay, debug it and learn it. See, you will be learning in multiple different ways of using this Pega tool. Okay, just I wanted to give you a heads up about these things. So if you are going to join for the training here, you will be molded as a full-fledged software application developer. In a way, you will be working on forward engineering, reverse engineering, troubleshooting, debugging, bug fixing, analysis also, that is also will be there. Okay, all the ways you need to fully focus to learn any technology. Actually, to speak frankly, any technology you have to learn all these ways. Okay, and we will start now, and we are going to start the session now. Just you got a heads up of what you are going to learn, what ways you are going to be molded. Next thing is, okay, what is Pega? See, we have demo session. This is day one. What are you going to see today? Day one, we are going to understand about what is Pega and where we use it in real time. Where we use it in real time. Why we use it in real time? Not where I will tell you tomorrow. Why we use it in real time? This is for 10 minutes maximum. After that, in day one, I will tell you about the process that we follow here, training schedule, okay, and details, and even other details. Okay, I will tell you. Actually, I used to take this particular session on day 3. Usually I used to take it on day 3, but people with having so many doubts in mind, they are not able to wait till day 3. That's why we wanted to sort out so many things on day 1 itself with a little bit of information about Pega, and then day 2 will be the real one. I mean, like, day 1 is also real one. Day 2 will be functional understanding about BPM. Okay, not only functional, maximum 90% functional. How much percent? Plus technical. How much percentage technical? Only 10%, because you are a beginner. Understanding about BPM, Pega, architecture of Pega. Architecture of Pega. This will take whole day 2. See, by day 2, tomorrow end of the day, you will have a clear idea about what is Pega, what is BPM, why Pega is called as BPM. Anyone is going to ask you, can you tell me about Pega, why it is, how it is been used in the market, and what is its architecture, what are its advantages and all. You will say, at least for 5 minutes, you will be able to explain. Okay, what about day 3? Actually, day 2, 1 hour will not be sufficient to tell you completely about the demo PPT which is available. Day 3, first half an hour, probably, maybe if required I'll take, otherwise day 3, more doubts for half an hour. First half an hour. Then we have second half an hour, right? So second half, what you do? Second half, we look into tool. To start learning about Pega. So day 3, your classes will start. Okay, second half onwards, application development. So do you think day 1 and day 2 are not required? Only day 3 second half is required? That is wrong. See, day 2, whatever we discuss, for this 3.5 months training duration, every point will be practically discussed during our training program. That's how day 2 is important. Understand? Every point we discuss in day 2, it will come across the 3.5 months training duration. Okay, every point will come practically. Again, explanation technically matching with Pega. So just a high level you will get on day 2, right? Elaborative you will get on day 3. We will match with the day 1, day 2 demo. That time when we are discussing topic, you remember I told during the demo class. Otherwise, go and revise demo class. That's how I will tell you. Okay. So it is very, very important for all of you to attend all these 3-day session without fail. Means today you attending. Don't simply take it like tomorrow also demo, why should I attend? It is very much essential. You should clearly understand the core fundamentals of any subject. That will be day 2. Okay, day 1 will be little bit of about the fundamental and information. Okay, clear everyone? So shall we start now? Okay, so this is Pega tool. I am not going to tell you anything about tool on day 1 itself. I don't want to inject the technical details today. But I will tell you, if you are learning Pega, what are you going? And in the real world today, how Pega is being used in the market, and what are you going to become after you learning Pega. So all of you, whoever is going to learn Pega today, you will become a Pega developer, where you will develop applications, developing business applications, especially what applications? Business applications. Can anyone tell me? I will come to your questions. Don't ask me any questions unless I come back to you and check with you. I know I have to cover everything. I'll cover. Just be patient. Closely focus here. Don't ask me any question in between unless I come back to you and check with you. You understand or not? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any question? Okay, we don't want to deviate in between. Everything will be covered. Just have patience. So, you know any real business applications? Tell me 2 or 3 real business applications which you come across in your day-to-day life. Online students can respond on the chatting window. Always the session should be interactive. Okay, tell me any 2 real business applications that you come across in your day-to-day life. Amazon.com, Amazon.in, Amazon mobile app. Next, don't tell me the same business. Tell me another type of business application. IRCTC. Okay. And loan application. You can simply say Phone Pay, Google Pay. Regularly you are accessing, right? So many services are there in that. Correct? So which you see in your day-to-day life so that you can better understand. See, you can develop any of these type of applications using Pega. So Pega is used to develop business applications. Example, I am telling exactly what type of applications you'll come to know tomorrow ending or day after tomorrow morning. Day after tomorrow morning. Okay, means third day morning. So like Amazon, okay, or IRCTC you told, okay, Paytm you told, and GPay, Phone Pay, maybe you know so many things, etc. Okay, like this see what is an application contains. What does an application contains? What are the layers? Just for your information, I am telling all this. Layers of application. If you are a developer, what are the layers will be there? In which layers of development you will be involved? See, usually user interface layer will be there. What is that? User interface layer. User interface plus business logic will be there. What is the other one? Business logic layer will be there. Third one is database layer will be there. User interface for what purpose? Visual appearance. What is that? Visual appearance. See, imagine if your Phone Pay application doesn't have user interface, how difficult it is to access. Phone Pay, Google Pay, any application without user interface, which we see. User interface means this one only, UI. So you go to Amazon.in or Amazon.com. This is UI. Without UI, is it possible to access for common people? It's difficult, highly difficult. So if you remember bank applications during 1990s, if you have ever visited all mainframes, black and white screens, you remember? Maybe some people here, they don't know, okay, because they are too youngsters. That time, if you have visited a bank, they used to access black and white screens, which will be really difficult. Now everything is user interface, graphical UI is there. So business logic is what? Generally coding. This is middle layer. This is coding, like your C language, Java, CPP, C#, VB, or any programming language. And database is SQL queries. Okay, structured query language. See, if you want to be called as a full stack developer, generally at a high level you should know about all these three. You want to learn, you want to become a Java full stack developer, C#, .NET full stack developer, you want to become Python full stack developer, you learn any of the UI technology, you learn Python, Java, C#, VB, some business logic technology, and you learn structured query language, database technology, or tool, anything. All these three you are working, you will be a developer, full stack developer. Okay, maybe additional lead deployment, testing, leave it. See, generally in real world how it works. For user interface, separate developers will be there usually. A person should be capable of working all of these three expectation, but in real world, it's not possible for a person to work on all these in a normal technologies like Java, .NET, not possible. So UI developers, they will hire separately. Java, they will hire separately. .NET, C# they will hire separately. VB, they will hire separately. Python, they will hire separately. And database, they will hire separately. Three different resources working together to finish all the three layers of development. Coordinatively, they work together. Okay, that will become a full stack development. Then what about Pega? Pega also has all the above three layers. Pega also has above all three layers. Yes or no? So everyone following, right? Pega also. So if you are learning Pega, you will be working on UI. So Pega developer will be working on UI, business logic plus database. Now you have one question. If I am going to work on all these three, am I going to write any coding? UI, HTML coding, JavaScript, CSS, business logic, either Java coding or C# coding or Python coding, like that. Database, should I write any queries? Should I write queries related to joins? Should I write queries related to stored procedure programs, PLSQL programs? Because if I am going to be a full stack developer, learning other technologies, I have to write all this. I should have knowledge about all this. Then I am a Pega developer working on all these three. Am I going to write all these three as a coding, like UI, HTML scripting, JavaScript, and other CSS scripting, or business logic? Am I going to write the coding, or database? Am I going to write the queries, or PLSQL programs, or stored procedures? No, you are not going to write any code. You are not going to write any code. Sairam, I am shouting, actually, literally I am shouting. Please increase the volume from your end or reconnect. So if you are going to learn Pega, are you clear now? What are you going to be? You are going to be an application developer where you will be working on user interface, business logic, database, all these three. Then next question is, am I going to write any code? Should I learn HTML technologies? Should I learn business logic technology? Should I learn database and all? So the answer is no, a big no. You are not going to write any code. No coding. You are not going to. When I say coding, many people are stucking only at business logic part. They are thinking only about Java coding or Python coding, like that. Coding doesn't mean only related to middleware. It is related to no coding related to UI, means HTML, CSS, JavaScript, no coding required. Business logic, no business logic, no Java coding, no C# coding, or no Python coding. Any coding language which we are going to use, we are not going to write any code for that. Plus no queries, no queries. You are not going to write any code related to either HTML user interface or business logic, okay, or database queries. You are not going to write, but still you are going to work on all these three. Let me cross check once again. My voice, is it audible clearly to everyone without breaking? Is it clearly audible to every one of you online? Some people please respond. Yes, my voice is audible. I got the response at yes, saying many people. Yeah, please mute. Please check from your end. See, because of the climate issues, maybe you have some internet disruption at your home, at your place. That may be a problem. Don't always think like problem will be from my end. If there is an issue from my end, it will happen to everyone else. It will reflect. Voice is breaking for one, all it will break. Okay, so I have 3 internet connections with high speed. I will change the connection in between. Just let me tell one point. In between, if for any reason class gets disconnected, safe side I am saying, within next to 2 to 3 minutes I will connect back. You don't go anywhere. Just for your information I am saying. So a Pega developer need not to write any coding. There is no need to learn any technologies related to UI or business logic or database. Zero technical person. Zero. What is that? Zero technical person can start learning Pega and master it if they follow the trainer. If you follow me closely, today I have given you one assignment. You finish it. Okay. You revise the concepts. Prepare for the interview. Tomorrow you come down. Tomorrow again, something I have taught you. One more requirement I have given you. You have finished assignment. You prepared for interview. Repeat this process throughout the training sessions. Okay. You don't know anything about technology in the past. No matter who you are, what you are in the past, you will be able to master it for sure. Then what about basics? Basics of database. What is table? What are the select commands? All this. What are the OOPS concepts? Who will teach you? I will teach you. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. That's why I am saying you have to 100% dedicate your time. Okay. And fully focus on learning the subject. Considering yourself as, I don't know anything about technology. I'm a zero. I am from non-technical background. I am from civil engineering, mechanical engineering. Okay, I am from MBA background, or I am from a degree, BSc or non-computers degree. Okay, no matter who you are, what was your background, we don't care about it. Okay, you should also don't care about your background. See, many people, they feel like, hey, I am from non-technical background, that's why I'm not understanding this. My friend, he is able to grasp it within the first shot itself, but for me it is taking time to understand. No problem, that is your ability. Your capability is you need to read 3 times, then only you will understand. The best thing here is you know about yourself. Okay, reading 3 times only I am able to understand. Unlike other person, for the first time I am not able to understand. If you know that point and practice that 3 times, you will be able to master it. If you go with an inferiority complexity, it is taking a little bit more time compared to my friend, then that is going to create a problem. Okay, you will feel like you will be inferior about it, and also that will make you lag in your learning, lag behind. So you do not compare with any one of your co-students, never, not required. See, for one person 3 times reading you will understand, another person 5 times reading you will understand. What is the problem? This is a practice, man. You have to start learning aligning to your abilities. Know about your ability, your capability. Aligning with that, you design your practical model. Okay, 5 times reading I'll understand, 5 times I'll read, no problem. 1 month if you go with this practice, after 1 month what will happen, you know, reading 3 times only you'll understand. Means your capability is increasing slowly. After 2 months, 3 months, what will happen? You will become an expert like your friend. No problem. Okay, so never compare yourself with anyone while learning any technology, not only Pega, anything, not only technology. So you are zero. Everything in your life you have started learning it from zero. You started walking, you fell down many times, you have fallen many times, again and again you get up, today you are an expert, right? You will become the same when you are going to do it. Okay, but you should not lose the hope. You should not stop attempting it again and again. Okay, and know about your ability or capability. Try to improve it day by day. Okay, today I'm an average student. See, you might have seen some students who were average in the previous year. This year they might be performing very well. You might have come across in your friends. How come? He's average person, right? There is nothing like average or above average or expert or maybe low. Everyone is expert only, but the way how you spend quality of time, the way how you practice, the way how you prepare yourself, the way how you set your mind, all this is going to make you an expert in learning, or maybe you will become a best performer based on that. Okay, some people will be dull students up to 6th class. From 7th standard onwards they will be like an expert. Okay, so like that, see, because they are spending more time, okay, they are creating interest in themselves. So that way, considering that way, please make sure that, remember one thing, whatever your degree is, technical, non-technical, IT, non-IT, okay, pharma or anything, no matter, you should have to set your mind like, I am learning from zero. Okay, so I wanted to understand it from the base level 0 onwards, then I will spend enough time and then learn it. Okay, if that is your mindset, you can master it for sure. So it doesn't require any prior technical knowledge. No prior technical knowledge required to learn Pega and Pega. So to learn Pega plus, other person was asking a question related to this some time back. Okay, what was the question? He was asking something like, I am from a degree background, something like that he was asking. So any degree, why any degree? I will tell you. See, yesterday only we got one requirement. Yesterday we have posted to our students. Anytime job requirements will post in the group. For Bangalore location, work from office only, fresher. What did they say? Any year of pass out is okay. Any degree is okay. Technically they should be good. First you screen Harsha and then send them to me. Okay, that's the requirement we got. See, we will not get this type of requirement all the time. Any year of pass out fresher will not get all the time. But this requirement will be repeated for next 1 year. This time we need only 12, they need only 12 resources. They will again repeat after 2 months or 3 months like that. We don't know when the opportunity will come to us, in which manner it will come to us. You always be ready, be prepared. Be prepared and ready to grab the opportunity when it is available. Many people, they make a mistake. Once we post the requirement, they start preparing. Sir, can you give me one week time? I will prepare. Then what did you do last 4 months? Last 3.5 months, 4 months, what have you done? That is a biggest mistake. Be ready with your technical abilities. Okay. So be ready to grab the opportunity. Any moment the opportunity will come. Most of the requirement that comes today and the profile will be shortlisted by tomorrow for the interview. You will not be given 1 week time, 2 weeks time. Keep this in mind. I'm telling in before in hand. Any degree, no prior technical knowledge required to learn Pega. I'll be teaching from the basics onwards. Any degree is okay. But what we need is a strict dedication is required and a strong determination should be there. Okay. And you should be having a lot of dedication and determination, and you should be having a full focus on the concepts in the class also. Okay. Plus a student should have regular to the classes, as well as practice, a regular practice. Okay. Saturday, Sunday holiday, you should not throw away your books. Saturday you revise everything what is being done from Monday to Friday. 5 hours revision will take only 1.5 hours. 5 hours whatever we discuss revision will take how much time? Only 1.5 hours it will take. That's it. Then you throw away your books, no problem. Sunday you enjoy. Okay. So don't lose your practice. 2 days if you are sitting idle, third day your mind is not going to support you to take it. Okay. Please make sure that Monday to Friday you are attending the classes. Saturday you are revising everything. Okay. So what is the what are the other details about the process? So far everyone clear? If you want to learn Pega, no technical knowledge required. Okay. Any degree is okay. Okay. No coding required while working with Pega. You don't need to learn any previous technologies related to anything, but start learning this from zero. Set up your mind that you are a newbie to the technology world and start learning. It will work out, because we have seen people from M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, they are able to learn, they are surviving. So anyone who has trained from here past 4 years back, means now they have got 4 years experience, real experience. Their package is not less than 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs or above. Okay. And people who are been out here 10 years back and all are mostly technical managers like that. Their salary minimum 40-50 lakhs like that. Okay. The one biggest advantage in Pega is huge salaries compared to other technologies. Salesforce or maybe any other technologies, they won't give that much salaries. Pega, if you are technically good, whatever you ask, they will give you. If you are an LSA, then you will be offered even 75 lakhs, 80 lakhs. I'm not talking about US or other countries, India. Pega salaries in India is more than the salary you get in UK. You travel to on-site. Why you travel? To save some amount of money, right? Go to UK, work there, save some amount of money, or as an LSA work in India, you will get more savings than that. That's possible in case of Pega. Okay. So see now, see, this is what. So any one of you, if you are going to join here, please focus fully. Learn it with dedication. What is the training duration? Okay. Overall training duration is how long? You might have got information from us, right? 3.5 months. Monday to Friday. Okay. In this 3.5 months with the training, whatever you are going to be delivered with, if you are practicing properly, will you be able to crack any interview? 100% yes. You can crack with this training. You can crack any interview with 3 years, minimum 3 years to 5 years to max 5 years experience showing you can crack. Okay, you can crack that interview for sure. Fresher, obviously it will be just like that if you practice really very well. See, it is very simple. You have to surrender yourself to this technology. That's it. And to my process, you'll be able to. You don't need any additional training after this, frankly speaking. Okay, to crack interviews, to work on a project independently. You will be able to work on project independently. Can work on project. Can work on project. Got it? Okay. Then what will be there in this 3.5 months? Exams. 2 times 2 exams per week. Per week. You will be writing. Okay, you are writing, no problem. You are getting 9 marks. You are getting 2 marks or 3 marks. I'm not much concerned about it. The exam's intention is different. I'll tell you later. Okay, but you prepare and take the exams. Next, mock interview. This is most important. This we will consider. So one interview per 2 or 3 weeks, whatever you are comfortable with. So first, second, third, leave it. Fourth onwards, after 2 weeks, you will be giving mock interview. All of you. I will tell you the process to schedule later. This we will consider. Okay. See, if you are doing good in the mock interview, what does it mean? What does it mean if you are doing better in the mock interview? So whatever we are teaching only, we will not ask anything too difficult. From our interview question and answer document, don't buy hat. Understand the subject concept, then answer your own way, your own words, no problem. If you are doing better, let's say you got 6 marks, 7, 8, 9, means what? 6 means you are okay, not bad. You are following us, you are practicing. 7, 8 means somewhat little bit better. 9 you are being given with us, by us, means you are really doing excellent. 6 or above, you can crack any interview, no issues. Any interview. See, based on the average score of this total, you will attend how many interviews? Total 5 interviews. Throughout the demo, throughout the classes, total how many? Total 5 interviews you attend. It's not difficult, it's not easy. It depends on you. You practice, it will be easy. You prepare, it will not be easy. That's it. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, we don't scold you. Okay, we will guide you. One exam, one interview completed. So in what aspects you have to correct yourself? Technically you are good. It is there in your mind, you are not able to express. Read it loud. Okay, technical words, your tongue should twist to the technical words. Okay, your preparation is not up to the mark. In this way, you start preparation so that you can be even better than what you are today. This type of suggestions you will get. Some people, your knowledge is there, you have knowledge, but you are not able to express in English language properly. Focus on talking to your friends, communicating in English. Okay, like this we will guide you further. Okay, so that where you have gaps in learning process, that we will fill time to time, so that by end of the course you can be a fully molded person. Okay, completed. I will tell you about certifications, don't worry, I'll come in an order. Okay, next. So anyone score, okay, actually it is actually 7 previously, we are reducing it to 6 out of 10. 6 or more out of 10. Oh, what is the advantage of scoring like this? See, anyhow you can crack interview after this 3.5 months if you are practicing very well, right? Then we will add you into post to training, that is optional, your wish. You want to get in, you can get in. Not everyone. Who? Only these persons. Okay. Post to training, or again we also call it as job ready program. What is the fees for this? Okay, it's almost equivalent to the training fees that you pay additionally. Training fees, additional fees. Then why should I pay additional fees? I am already taking training, right? You don't need to pay. You don't even pay a single rupee for post training, which is almost equivalent to your training fees. Then why we have fees when we are not charging? Why should I keep some fees there if I am not charging from you, because you are already a student paid for the training? On top of it, we are giving it for free for 45 days. What you will be doing? So here throughout the training, 2 projects you will be working on, right? 2 projects, one class, another one parallelly. After 2 weeks you will start 2 real-time projects. Here one more project will be there, exactly like in real time. You will never be given any help. We will not help you. We will explain you walkthrough. We'll give you walkthrough. You have to do it, and there will be review. Review 2 times a week. Means what you have done, how you have done, you have to explain us. We will review it. Okay, like how it happens in your projects, real projects. Plus alternate days. Okay, today review project. You will be working on 6 days or 7 days on project only. Alternate days. Alternate days, interview classes. Why you are saying again interview classes? You already covered interview level here, right? Yes, we covered. We will repeat again. Why we should repeat? Why we should repeat again? To make you perfect. You are already perfect. You are already skillful. We want to polish your skill to the next level, so that you will not even fail the first interview. You should be able to independently. So this will build full confidence. Full confidence. See what will happen. All this we have introduced after seeing so many students. Not so simply. Not from day one. It is not there. So it started. It's been 5 batches completed. 5th batch is running. Sorry, 5th batch is running for post training. Why it was not there before? Because after we have seen 3.5 months, the candidate is good. They are afraid of attending interviews for some reason. They feel like I am fake resource. I don't have real experience. I don't know real time. If I get caught, what will be the issue? Okay, if I have been fired out. To remove all these negative thoughts from your mind, after this training, whoever you are, you will say that I will crack any interview, I will work in any project, I don't have any fear. This is how you'll say. But I'm again saying this is not mandatory. Though it is free, not mandatory. It's up to you. Will not force you. Okay, then what about the people who cannot score 6 or more? Do you have any chance to attend this? Okay, your 3.5 months completed. You have given 4 or 5 interviews. You are not able to be up to the mark. 2.5 months additional duration will give. How many months? 2.5 months additional duration. For what purpose? Prepare. Prepare and come back. We give you a chance to attend mock. Attend post training. Okay. 2.5 months also you did not do. Okay. If proper reasons are there, that's a different thing. There are people who will pay the training fees here. I'm not saying so simply, just for the sake their parents are insisting. Okay, we never bother about such students. Okay, their parents are insisting to go to Hyderabad and do some training and all. They're already having plenty of money. Okay, properties and all. The type of people we come across, we never focus on them. Okay, any such type of people we never bother about. Okay, after 2.5 months you come, you pay. That is also prorated is there. I will explain you later. Don't worry. Okay. So we will not insist you to pay so much of money. Okay. Why there is a fees for this program? It's not about you. We are giving it for free of cost. Okay. Prorated is there after means 3.5 months plus 2.5 months means almost 6 months after prorated. Then what about outsiders? Someone has learned Pega somewhere else. They realize later they are not being trained enough. They're not being given with good knowledge. Then they will be joining the post training to quickly finish. They will be paying that 20,000 rupees. They will be paying. For them, it is a fees. See, someone is paying some amount of money, lump sum amount of money, and taking the training, which we are giving it for free of cost. Understand the value of it. So your focus should not be on job. Now, if you're joining, focus should be on where? Post training. If you are in the post training, you are in the job, no doubt about it. So far, we never failed placing the post training students. We never failed. All post training students are now working. 1 or 2 pending. Those people will be getting in this freshers round for sure. This freshers round they will be. So after this freshers interview, we have 0 number of people to get job after the post training for sure. Okay. So I will answer your questions also. I know that you have so many questions. That's why I'm taking time. Okay. I'll answer your question. Answer me after the session is over. I will answer. No worries. Okay. So fees and all admin team will tell you. Okay. Someone is asking about certifications. 3 months of notice period in your current. I know whatever the questions you have in your mind. I will show you one document. We have around 30 questions. I will send you one document after today's session. Document name is FAQ, frequently asked questions. All other questions, whatever you are asking apart from whatever I am covering, will be there. Again, I will go through that questions even though after sharing. After I share the document, you go through it once, you'll understand CSS certification, CSS certification. So who can learn, who don't, who are not allowed to learn, or maybe technical background. So many questions, certification cost, fees, everything is answered. How many months duration, videos will be provided or not. What about this? We will provide you video recordings of each session. Video recording of each session will provide you. Today class completed. After 1 hour, you will have the recording available. Why you need recording? What we provide apart from recording? Theory documents plus practical document with screenshots. See, all screenshots combining together with written explanation will become a video actually. You don't actually need a video, but still will provide screen with screenshots. Okay. 100% placement means what? Should I take you in and make you sit in the seat or what? Just I am asking. Don't get offended my way of communication. Sometimes I'm so straightforward. Okay. But listen to me carefully. Understand the importance of learning. Knowledge wins. Yes or no? Always knowledge wins. I've seen so many students. They don't even know how to speak in English. They joined some English communication centers. They joined here for Pega training. They struggled a lot. Okay. Just 2 months back only, one student, 10 years gap almost, housewife, she was able to do it. She has left her kid around 3 years, 4 years at the hometown. Okay. She came here, okay, for post training. For training, she attended online because long duration she cannot spend, right? But with lot of passion, interest. Okay. 1.5 months she completed post training. She is in now. Okay. The situation was worst. Their situation, their family situation was worst. Financially, I'm talking about. Now they are happy. All that they have got only because of one thing, their hard work. Okay, our part is there 50% only. Their part is there 50%. So it's you and me both have to work together. Okay. So practical document with screenshots, video recording, but remember this is view access. You can watch anytime. Till when? 3.5 months plus 2.5 months more. Means after your training is finished, till next to 2.5 months, you have access to the videos to revise back and all. Why this? Because you have to prepare, right? Maybe you may not be able to be parallel with me sometimes. Some people will lag. So for them, after that, you will be losing the access. Please make sure you spend quality of time while learning. Understand? Okay. What about job support? Someone is asking 100% placement. What do you mean by 100% placement? 100% if the student can guarantee that they learn it properly with dedication. We are giving 200% guarantee that you will get job. For sure. We will help you till you get placed. Till you get, not today, tomorrow, or till the training gets completed. After training is over also. Till you get placed, we will help you as long as you are behind us, following us. I am saying practice this way and all. You are not following. What can I do? I can't do anything, right? See, not only the training perspective, but also your examination, interviews, all the ways, your documentation, everything will help you, resume preparation, everything. But you should support us. Okay, you should have to show your dedication and all. If you find, if I am going to help this person, definitely he will be giving value to the times I'm spending. Then I will help that person for sure. It's not about me helping. It's about you, whether you are making me to do that or not. Okay. So I will take your questions, please. If you are posting the questions, if I am not addressing your question, you will feel like even I am not posting in the chatting window here, Harsha is not responding. Is he going to respond after I join? You will feel like this. I will answer all your questions. Don't post it. First to tell me, are you listening or not? If you're posting there, whether you might be missing it. So far, everyone clear? Whoever is learning Pega, next point, someone was asking.
Yes.
Whoever is learning Pega training, you have to do certifications mandatory. Training plus certifications. What certifications available? See, if you are keep on asking so many questions, I have to be rushing to explain. I don't want to rush. I want to take it slowly. Tomorrow also I'll take it. What is there? After your doubts are sorted out, then only you join. One day it will get delayed. What is the problem? Okay, only one day additional. Certifications, CSA, Certified System Architect, CSSA. How to clear this exam, we will help you. Don't worry about examination. But fees will be there. I'm telling before itself, because you have to even look for it financially, right? See, training fees anyhow you are paying, right? Again, for certification exams, everyone has to pay it. I'll tell you, in India, including GST, many people are going to Google and typing $175. It is coming around 12,500. No, $150 plus 18% GST, around $206. Not the rate you see in Google, dollar to rupee. No, your bank will sell you rupees. When you pay on your credit card, the bill will come to you around 16,700 like that. Okay, around 17,000 you will be paying nearly almost, and your exam will be cleared fast without fail. Without fail. Whom you will pay? Not to us. Okay, to the examination center. Okay, you are learning. Out of these two, which certification to be completed by you? Which is mandatory? Don't ask me again and again. For all of you, CSA is mandatory for all of you. Yes or no? Clear? Are you going to ask me? I have 2 years experience. Which certification I should complete? Again, are you going to ask me? So CSA certification is mandatory for you, everyone. Every one of you. First level of certification is mandatory. Why it is mandatory? If you want to watch a movie, purchasing a ticket is mandatory. Yes or no? You want to get in, mandatory. Without certification, you will not be given job. Certified people only eligible to apply for job. First of all, not getting, apply. Clear everyone? Why I am saying before in hand? So considering your financial, this thing you have to look for, not only training. Who has to finish CSSA? People from USA and other countries. Everyone USA from other countries. We have people from USA and all other countries must be doing CSSA level. Sir, can I do CSSA directly without doing CSA? No. First you pass CSA exam, then only eligible to book the CSSA exam. Additionally, you are paying money again. If you fail exam, money will be wasted. That's why I am telling you, don't write the exam without consulting me. I'll make sure you'll not fail. Okay. So everyone from other country, maximum 75%, I am telling 75% from other countries. If you are applying for job in USA, you are there. You're applying for job in Saudi, you are there. Applying in Singapore, people are there from all other countries. Mostly other countries, they will ask CSSA, man. What about India? You are learning. Here you have freshers. Freshers, you forget about CSSA. All of you should do CSA only. You forget. Fresher means who is fresher? I am a 2018 pass out. Am I fresher? No, you're not fresher. Fresher generally means what? 2020, 21, 22, now 23 is coming. Worst case 20, that is also not sure. Fresher doesn't mean you don't have experience in IT, you are going to be considered as fresher. You're already working in IT on testing 5 years. You are a beginner to Pega, you are not a fresher. Fresher means a graduate fresher. Understand? Whether you are a graduate fresher or not, question yourself. That's why I told you before itself, you can crack any interview with 3 years experience, 5 years. Okay, I'm going to wind up in 2 minutes. We are very strict towards the timings and all. We have even other batches, running batches. See, in India, other countries I told, in India, if your package expected CTC 12 lakhs or more, you are going to show some experience and apply, right? Current CTC, you are going to keep something. If you are a fresher, forget about it, CSA only. Okay. And if you are applying as experience and all, will help you there also. 12 lakhs or more, CSSA maximum, it is mandatory. Some people are getting even without that. Okay, but better safe side. I will tell you one more point. getting the job as experienced with CSSA is easy compared to CSA. Some people will think like, if I am going to do senior level certification, interview will be difficult, work will be difficult. That will not happen. You apply for CSA, CSSA, attend 2 interviews with 2 different numbers, interview will be same. Join a project with 2 years, 4 years experience, work also will be same. You will come to know only when you experience it. If I simply tell you, still you may not be able to believe it. 99% of times, both work nature will be same, both burden will be same, both interview level will be same. But getting the offer with CSSA is easy compared to CSA. There are some parameters like that. Okay, we know clearly. I'll tell you later. Okay. So I have so many questions posted by many students in the chatting window, which I have not addressed. Okay, I will address tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay, we are spending 1 hour time only. I will spend only 2 more minutes and I will wind up for today. Tomorrow, sharp 8 o'clock, I will start. Remind me, just please record the session. What time I will start the session tomorrow? If you are here on the meeting or in the class after 8 o'clock, 5 minutes late, 2 minutes late, that means you lost the 2 minutes. No doubt. See, day 1, I don't want to wait for the people to connect after 8 o'clock. Time is time, that's it. That's first.
Before we'll count.
7:55 you join the meeting. 7:55 you be here, all classroom students.
Okay,
Check whether
fine.
you are able to hear me or not. Okay. So real time also I will explain. Don't worry, I will tell you. We are not yet done. See, it is not possible to cover everything in one day. Okay, this 1 hour itself I cannot cover everything, and I don't want to even extend the session after 1 hour. You will sleep. Okay, automatically you'll get the sleep if I continue it for half an hour more. 1 hour is pretty much fair enough. Okay, so every day. Tomorrow, same meeting link, sharp 8, 5 minutes before 8 o'clock connect. 5 minutes before you please be available here in the corridor and come into the class just at 7:56, 7:57. Understand? I know I did not ask you, give you time to ask me questions. I know that. But one thing I want to tell you that I will cover, because I know I will be covering, I will be talking to you. So this is my number. Okay, you have the number 9652532753 training coordinator number. This is my personal number. Okay, save this number with name Harsha Trainer, Harsha Pega Trainer. If you have any doubts, WhatsApp me first. Okay, I will talk to you on phone call later. First you can WhatsApp me. This is one number you have to save. Remember one thing. Listen to me carefully. You should have to come to me only for 2 purposes. One is career guidance. Second is Pega technical related, project related. Nothing else. You should not come to me and ask me what is the fees, sir. Okay, you should not come to me what is the duration and all. Any career guidance related for you and Pega related, technical or project related, anything, you contact me. What is the duration? You want course content, you want software installation, you want software to download. Okay, where it is available, how to install, how to download, whom you will ask? Ask the admin team. Don't come to me for that. That is, and my attention is not required there. For your career guidance, anything technical guidance, I will be there. Remaining all will go with admin team. Understand? Clear everyone? Next. This is another number, right? This is what I am saying, admin number, training number, Pega training coordinator number. Okay. This number also you save with Pega training, Harsha Pega training, Pega training. Okay, Pega training number. See, for any other thing you have to contact on the number. Software download instructions, how to install, how to download, all that. System requirements you want to know, anything, you go there. See, some of you might have joined this meeting or came here when your friends forwarded you the details. Means actually we are sending all the updates from this number, sending in a broadcast. You might have got the details forwarded from your friends or some connections. Only to those people. Already you are receiving updates from this number. Today morning reminder, you already got. This is not for you, for other people. Those who came here with forwarded details, please save this number now and WhatsApp on this number immediately. Mention your name, attended Pega demo day 1, not all. if there was no message communication in WhatsApp from this number so far, then only you have to do this, so that you will not be missing the updates. You will not be missing the updates. Make sense? Clear, everyone? So we'll continue tomorrow. I am going to close the meeting. I will talk to you personally. You can WhatsApp me later. From 10:30 AM onwards, I will be available. And please make sure that I will give you time to talk about each and every question, and I'll clarify all the doubts going forward tomorrow or sometime later. Okay. Thank you. You can wind up for today. Thank you for joining me.